Welcome back to Smart Income Masters, where we make money smarter.
Hmm.
I'm excited about today's deep dive because we're talking about using AI for side hustles. And
Yes.
not just any side hustles, ones that require zero financial investment.
Really exciting stuff.
If you're ready to explore how to make money smarter with AI, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in.
It's incredible how accessible AI tools have become. Just a few years ago, this was all
Oh, I know.
like super high tech, only for like the big companies.
Right.
Now anyone can use them.
Right.
It's amazing.
It's a total game changer.
It is.
And one area where I've personally seen the potential is in creating infographics.
Okay.
This platform, it's called Infographic.
Yeah.
It's been a total lifesaver. I used to spend, oh gosh, hours, sometimes even days making infographics for presentations and reports.
I mean, infographics are so powerful,
Yeah.
for getting information across quickly, but the
Yeah.
time it takes, oh my gosh,
A lot.
it can be a real roadblock.
Exactly. But with infographic.a, I just feed it the text.
Okay.
Could be anything, an article, blog post, even a PDF.
Wow.
And in seconds, it spits out a professional-looking infographic.
No way.
What used to take me hours now takes seconds.
That's wild. It's not just the speed, though, right?
Right.
The quality is also really good.
Yes.
The AI is getting so good.
Yeah.
It understands what you're trying to say, and it makes it look good.
Exactly. And that opens up so many possibilities for side hustles.
Oh, yeah.
Think about it. All the businesses, bloggers, educators, anyone who needs to present information visually,
Huh?
they're all potential clients.
Yeah, you could be like an infographic consultant.
Yes.
You could offer your services.
Freelance platforms.
Exactly, and you'd be so much faster and cheaper
Yeah.
than traditional designers.
This is AI disruption in action.
It is. It is.
Okay, so we've talked about creating visual content.
Right?
But get this, AI can now build you a complete e-commerce store, like ready to launch
Whoa.
in minutes. I was skeptical at first,
I bet.
but I decided to try it out.
Okay.
There's this platform called buildyourstore.a. I was blown away.
So the AI builds a Shopify store in minutes.
In minutes.
That sounds crazy.
It is crazy.
It's like science fiction, but it's real.
It is real. It's really happening.
I mean, this is huge. This is like
I know.
breaking down barriers for entrepreneurs.
Exactly. I remember when I set up my first online store,
Oh, yeah.
it took me weeks.
Uh-huh.
Sourcing products, designing the website,
Yeah.
figuring out payment processing.
It's a lot. It's a whole thing.
It's a whole thing, big learning curve. But with this platform,
Yeah.
I just chose a niche. I went with sustainable home goods,
Okay.
and the AI did everything else.
So wait, walk me through it. You pick a niche and
Yeah.
then what?
It's like magic.
Okay.
It finds products,
Okay.
designs the website,
Uh-huh.
writes the descriptions,
Wow.
even sets up the payment processing.
Yeah, it's amazing.
I connected my Shopify account, boom,
Wow.
done, store was ready.
Anyone can do this then.
Anyone, so what does this mean for like the future of retail?
It's a good question. It's going to be interesting to see.
Now let's talk about something that's been a game changer for my own social media,
Okay.
ChatGPT for social media optimization.
Oh, yeah. I've heard about this. Using AI to improve your social media.
It's incredible.
It's a crowded space out there.
It is
It's
that.
hard to stand out.
Right, but AI can help.
How so?
It's all about knowing how to use ChatGPT effectively.
Mm.
I used to spend hours
Yeah.
coming up with captions,
Uh-huh.
researching hashtags,
Right.
analyzing my analytics.
Uh-huh.
Now I use ChatGPT to do all that.
So it's like your personal social media assistant?
Exactly. I'll show it screenshots of my profiles.
Okay.
I give it specific instructions like, analyze this and tell me how to improve my bio,
Interesting.
my content, my hashtags.
So you have to know how to talk to the AI.
You
You have to be very clear with it.
Yes.
Give it good instructions.
But when you do,
Yeah.
the results are amazing. It gave me really specific tips,
Like what?
like how to make my bio better,
Uh-huh.
ideas for content based on what's trending.
Oh, wow.
Even helped me make my feed look better, more cohesive.
That's amazing. And you can offer this to clients, right?
Yes,
Businesses are always looking for this kind of help.
always. And it takes minutes thanks to AI.
And it can make a real difference for them.
Absolutely. So we've talked about digital content, e-commerce stores.
Right.
Now let's talk about combining AI with Amazon.
Amazon, okay.
Have you heard of Amazon Merch on Demand?
I have, yeah. It's where you sell designs on merchandise. Through Amazon.
Through Amazon, they handle everything. Printing, shipping, customer service.
You make money in your sleep?
Passive income, exactly.
It's great.
I started doing this a while back, but I was struggling with the designs.
Coming up with the designs is hard.
So I discovered AI art generators.
Oh, wow. So you use AI to design the merch. Then you sell it on Amazon.
That's it. There's this AI art generator. I won't name names, but it used to be called DALL-E Mini.
Oh, yeah. I've heard of that.
You just type in what you want, like let's say a funny slogan for coffee lovers.
Okay.
And it creates a bunch of designs.
So cool.
It's like having a design team at your fingertips. And I don't have to be a designer.
That's the best part.
I upload the designs to Amazon. They do the rest.
That's brilliant.
AI creativity plus Amazon. You can't go wrong.
Okay, so we've talked about creating stuff, digital content, e-commerce, even merchandise.
Right.
What about selling stuff you already own?
Yes, using AI to help you resell.
I like it. Everyone has stuff they could sell.
Exactly. Clothes, electronics, old furniture.
It's all just sitting there.
And AI can help you sell it for more.
Really? How?
Well, I was trying to sell this vintage lamp online.
Okay.
The pictures I took, they just weren't good.
Pictures are everything when you're selling online.
I know, so I tried these AI image editors.
What do?
They can remove the background, improve the lighting, make it look so much better.
Wow.
It's like having a pro photo editor.
Right in your phone.
Right in my phone. The photos looked amazing.
That's great.
And for the descriptions, I used ChatGPT.
Oh, smart.
I told it about the lamp. And it wrote this really compelling description.
Oh, wow.
Highlighting all the features and benefits.
So you're using AI for the pictures and the words?
Exactly.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Once I had everything ready, I listed it on a bunch of different sites.
Like what?
eBay, Facebook Marketplace. There are apps for selling specific things.
You could even make your own website.
You could build a whole brand around it.
That's awesome. It's a great way to make some extra cash.
And it's sustainable.
Totally. Giving things a second life.
Okay, now let's talk about a side hustle that's perfect for the health and wellness market.
Ooh.
I've been experimenting with this one. It's got huge potential.
I'm all ears. People are so into health and wellness these days.
I know, and they're willing to spend money on it.
For sure.
So this is all about personalized meal plans, but not just any meal plans.
Okay.
Meal plans generated by AI.
Interesting. So instead of hiring a nutritionist, you use AI.
Exactly. I've been using this platform called PlantFit.
What's that?
It's specifically for plant-based meal plans.
Okay.
But there are others out there for different diets.
I can see how that would be really appealing.
It is, especially for people who are busy.
Right. Or who don't know a lot about nutrition.
Exactly. You tell it your goals, your dietary restrictions, everything.
And it just makes a meal plan for you?
It's not just convenient, though.
Okay.
The AI takes everything into account.
Like what?
Your age, weight, activity level, everything.
Wow.
So it's really personalized.
That's important.
It is. One size fits all doesn't work for nutrition.
No, not at all.
So the AI creates a complete meal plan.
What, like with recipes?
Recipes, grocery lists, even macro breakdowns.
That's amazing. It takes all the guesswork out.
It does, and you can offer this as a paid service. You could even do subscriptions, ongoing support, updates.
You could specialize too, right?
Yeah, like vegan meal plans.
Or keto.
Whatever people are looking for.
This is great. AI is really changing the game.
Okay, let's move on to something for the creative types out there.
Okay, Erkit.
I've been having so much fun with this one.
What is it?
Using AI to create branded templates for businesses.
Oh, that's a great idea. So many businesses struggle with design.
It's a real pain point, especially for small businesses.
They don't have the budget for a design team.
Exactly. But AI is making it so much easier.
How?
There's this tool within Canva.
Oh, Canva? I love Canva.
It's called Canva Dream Lab.
I've heard of that.
It's AI powered.
Okay.
You literally tell it what you need.
Like what?
Like a social media carousel template or an infographic.
Okay.
It creates a bunch of options in seconds.
No way.
It's incredible.
Wow.
And then you can customize them.
You can?
Change the colors, the fonts, add your own images.
So you're basically offering a custom design service.
But powered by AI.
So you can do it faster and cheaper.
Exactly.
That's brilliant. AI is like a tool for creativity.
It is.
It's helping us be more creative.
And finally, let's talk about helping businesses streamline their communication.
Okay.
Are you ready for AI email automation?
I am. Email is so important for business.
But it's a time suck.
Big time.
Think about all the emails, lead nurturing, follow-ups, proposals.
It's a lot.
It's overwhelming.
It is, especially for small businesses.
That's where AI comes in.
Okay.
Instead of writing every email yourself,
Yeah.
you use ChatGPT to automate it.
So how does that work?
You can create sequences for different situations,
Okay.
like a sequence that nurtures leads who sign up for your email list.
Uh-huh.
The AI can personalize each email based on the lead's behavior.
So it's like having a virtual assistant
It is.
sending out personalized emails 24/7.
Exactly. And you can even use it for cold outreach emails.
Oh, wow. So each email is tailored to the recipient.
Exactly. You can feed it information about the client,
Like what?
their website, their LinkedIn, their social media.
And it uses that to write a better email.
Yes, a more personalized email.
That's so smart. It's like having a research team.
Right. And then you can set up these sequences to be triggered automatically.
Okay.
So if someone downloads something from your website,
Yeah.
they get added to a sequence.
That makes sense.
It's all automated.
So you don't have to do anything.
You can focus on other things.
And you can offer this as a service to businesses.
Absolutely. So many companies need help with email.
They would pay for this.
They would.
This is great. AI is like a secret weapon for business.
It is. It really is.
So we've covered a lot. 8 amazing AI side hustles.
And they all require zero financial investment.
It's incredible. Anyone can do this.
That's the point. Make money smarter.
I love it.
We're just getting started. We'll explore even more in the next part of our deep dive.
I can't wait.
But first, if you're enjoying this, hit that subscribe button
And the like button.
and share it with your friends.
Let's spread the word.
We release new content all the time to help you make money smarter.
So subscribe and stay tuned.
See you the next part.
Bye. You know, it's amazing to think how much things have changed, like even in the last few years.
Yeah.
AI is really changing the game.
It really is.
It's like it's giving everyone a chance to
Mhm.
be an entrepreneur,
Yeah.
to build a business.
You don't need a ton of money anymore.
Right.
You don't need to be like a tech genius.
Exactly.
It's amazing.
It's exciting. It really is.
It is. So let's recap the 8 AI side hustles we talked about,
Okay, good idea.
just to make sure everyone's got it.
Yeah, a little refresher.
Okay, so first up, infographic creation.
Right.
Remember infographic.a.
Uh-huh.
Super fast, professional infographics
In seconds.
from any text
And you can offer that as a service.
to anyone who needs to present information
For
visually.
businesses, bloggers, educators,
Anyone.
it's always in demand.
Visual content is king.
It is.
Okay, then we talked about AI-powered Shopify stores.
Right. Those are so cool.
They really are. Build your store.
You pick a niche,
Uh-huh.
the AI does the rest.
You've got a store in minutes.
No upfront costs, no technical skills needed.
It's amazing. Anyone can launch an e-commerce business now.
It's the future of retail.
And then there's ChatGPT for social media optimization.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
It's been a game changer for me.
So you basically just tell ChatGPT what to do.
You give it instructions, you show it examples,
And it gives you advice
personalized advice.
on how to improve your social media.
Exactly. And you can offer this as a service to clients.
Businesses are always looking for help with social media.
They are. It's a huge market.
And you can do it all with AI.
And then we talked about Amazon merch on demand.
Oh yeah, passive income.
Passive income, you use AI to create the designs.
And Amazon does everything else.
You just upload and collect royalties.
It's
And
brilliant.
then there's AI-assisted reselling.
Oh yeah, using AI to sell your old stuff.
Exactly. AI can help you make your photos look amazing
Right.
and write amazing descriptions.
So you can sell it for more.
For more, you can list it on all sorts of platforms.
eBay, Facebook, all of them.
It's a great way to declutter and make money.
And it's sustainable.
Yes, giving things a second life.
Okay, what
We
else?
talked about AI-generated meal plans.
Oh yeah, those are cool.
You tell the AI your goals, your restrictions,
And it makes you a custom meal plan.
with recipes, grocery lists, everything,
It's like having a personal nutritionist.
but way cheaper.
And you can offer this as a service too.
You can even do subscriptions.
So people get ongoing support.
Exactly. It's a great business model.
What else? What else?
We talked about Canva Dream Lab.
Oh yeah, for design,
AI-powered design. It creates templates for you.
for social media, infographics, anything.
You can use it for your own business.
Or offer it as a service to clients,
Exactly. It's like having a design team on demand.
but without the cost.
And finally, AI email automation.
Right, using AI to handle your email.
ChatGPT can write all sorts of emails for you.
Lead nurturing, follow-ups, proposals,
Even cold outreach email
and it can personalize them.
based on information you give it.
So it's like you're sending a personal email to each person.
But it's all automated.
This is huge. Businesses would pay a lot for this.
They would. It saves so much time and effort,
So there you have it, 8 AI side hustles.
all requiring zero financial investment.
This is amazing. This is the future.
It is. It's all about making money smarter.
And anyone can do it.
And we've only just scratched the surface, right?
Yeah.
I mean, AI is just getting started.
It's going to get even crazier.
What other opportunities are going to come up?
I can't even imagine.
It's exciting.
It really is. Like, we're living in the future.
We are. AI is changing everything.
The way we work, the way we live, everything.
And you know the best part is?
What?
You don't need to be like a super tech person
Right.
to take advantage of this.
You don't need a computer science degree.
Nope. And you don't need a ton of money either.
A lot of these tools are free.
Or really affordable.
And there's so much information online.
Yeah, you can learn anything.
If you're willing to learn.
Exactly. Be curious. Experiment. Try new things.
That's the key.
The future belongs to those who are willing to adapt.
To embrace change.
And to use technology to their advantage.
AI is a tool.
That's a powerful tool.
And we can all use it.
So what are you waiting for?
Yeah, get out there.
Pick an AI side hustle.
Dive in.
Start making money smarter.
Today.
And don't forget to subscribe to Smart Income Masters for more tips and strategies.
We're here to help you.
Make money smarter.
Until next time.
Keep hustling smart.
Stay curious.
And make money smarter.